like it says that, the Mahaprabhu says in the Chaitanya Bhagavad, one will get siddhi by chanting 3 lakhs. One will also get siddhi by living in Vrindavan. Because what does siddhi mean? It means bhav.
Yes.
So in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu it says that a little contact of any one of these 5 things can awaken,
Yes.
then bhav can come. Not awaken, because it's not there. Bhav will arise, will manifest. Manifest is the best word. It will come to us. Like the sun doesn't awaken. Prabhupada, sometimes if you look in his books on folio under Uday, he says appear, arise. So that's why people get confused. In other places he says manifest, and manifest is the best way. Like we say Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir. So it doesn't mean it's rising. It's like the moon is not rising, it's appearing to us. It's always there. So Bhava is Nityasthita Bhavasya. Bhava and Prema are Ladani Shakti. They're in the spiritual world. They're always there. But it's for us that all night we're in the darkness. We're in the modes of nature. And we're not Vishuddha Sattva. When we become Vishuddha Sattva, then it rises. It rises means it manifests and rises in us. First the moon, the earth has to turn in such a way where the moon can manifest, the sun can manifest at the end of night, and then we see it rise. So follow the Guru and don't make any offenses and keep engaged. That's the main thing. There's different appetites. Some people have an appetite for just chanting. Some people have an appetite for reading. So this appetite, this is called ruchi, spiritual ruchi, and there's nothing wrong with it. Everywhere that's the key to success. Because if one's chanting so many numbers, then he's just thinking of the number, or it's mechanical, or he's getting tired, or he gets even and says, "Oh, why so much?" And he loses his determination. It's a very difficult thing to do, to sit down and chant 3 lakhs. You may do it one day, but then you get a cold the next day, and you have to accept. The main thing is that we remember Krishna.